Everything we do really revolves around solutions that protect, starting with cash management supplies and tamper-evident packaging to protect coin and currency, and then rolling into EAS, which is electronic article surveillance systems to protect product in retail stores.
We have by far the most robust and advanced overhead RFID AES system that's available to date. And we can take that data later and provide it to the retailer to provide actionable insights for retailers.
So we understand that every customer that comes through the door is going to pass by one of our products. And with that in mind, there was careful consideration into the way we manufacture and the way that we design our solutions. We searched the globe for the best suppliers and the highest quality parts.
Right down to the type of screws we use and the plastics that we use. So when you look at our system, our systems are designed for rugged, long-term use in retail, right? They're gonna get banged, they're gonna get pushed on. The plastic on our units is the same as what you'd find in a Mercedes-Benz fender because it can withstand the test of time in a retail environment.
We're so confident that our systems perform better than any of our competition that we back it with a first-in-class 5-year warranty.